What's up guys, welcome to the video. In this video I will be showing you guys how to set up the Alexa Echo Dot, but before I get into any of that, I do want to do a quick unboxing and show y'all how it gets to you. And I do want to mention that it comes in a variety of different colors. They also have white and black. This is the blue version. It's pretty easy to unbox. I like the way how they ship it to you in a very nice way. As y'all guys can see, here's the actual Echo Dot right here. And here's the actual cable for it. So you do have to have it plugged up in order to use the Echo Dot. And I will like to say that you do need the Amazon Alexa app to set up the Echo Dot. You also will need Wi-Fi, and you will have to set up an account on the Alexa app. So let me switch the camera over and show y'all guys how to set up this Echo Dot. So here we are with the overhead view. I plugged in the Alexa Dot. You kind of got to give it time, and it'll show you that it's ready to connect it. So let me give it a second.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app d'Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
So once it tells you that the Alexa is ready to be paired, what I do is go to the app. Let me go back to show y'all guys the actual. So this is the Amazon Alexa app. You kind of just click on it. So once you open the Alexa app and set it up and everything, I'll go down to devices at the bottom, and it should be an add button at the top. So let me click right here. So once I clicked at the top, it says add device. I click on add device. And once you click on add device, make sure you choose which one you want to add. Of course, Amazon Echo, so let me click on that. And once you click on that, it kind of asks you what kind. I just go to this one right here, of course, the Echo speaker, and it said nearby devices permission needed. So you do have to grant the permission for this. So basically, once you get to this mode, it asks you, is your Echo plugged in and displayed in orange light? Of course it is. Y'all can see it at the bottom. It's displaying the orange light, so I'm gonna go to yes. Now it's gonna search for it. That was quick. So once it searches for the device, your device should pop up as available. I click on it. Right now it is searching for your Wi-Fi, because you do have to have Wi-Fi service in order for this to work, of course. And once you're connected to
Your Echo
Wi-Fi,
is ready.
so once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, it'll tell you that your Echo is ready, and that's pretty much how you set it up. Definitely pretty easy and simple. The process do take just a little bit of time, but once you get it done, that's it. You don't have to set up no more. It pretty much stays connected to your Wi-Fi, and to activate it, all you'll say is, Alexa, how was your day today?
It was gilly rude. Oops. Meant to say really good. Guess I've been trying out too many tongue twisters today.
And there you go. Appreciate y'all guys for watching the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.